Hey friends, today we are in downtown Sanford at the Sanford Marina. This area is a hotspot for dining and locally owned breweries and shops. Today's adventure takes us on a leisurely cruise up the St. Johns River on the paddleboat Barbara Lee. She's been operating on these waters for over 30 years, and I can't wait to get on board. So come on, let's get this adventure started. Hi, I'm Ned. And I've been exploring the waters of Central Florida all my life. And I'm gonna share with you some of my favorite adventures. So hop on board and let's go discover some of the best ways to experience life on the water in Orlando North.
The Barbara Lee isn't just a boat. She's a floating piece of history. Originally built in 1986, she's the only authentic sternwheeler cruising the St. Johns River today. 5 decks of beautiful views, great food, and live entertainment. Whether you're here for a meal, a celebration, or just to take in the scenery, this cruise is one you won't want to miss. Now let's go meet Scotty, the cruise director, and get the lowdown on today's adventure.
Hey Ned, welcome to the St. John's Rivership Company. I'm Scotty. I'm going to be your cruise director this afternoon. What do you think of our beautiful boat, the Barbara Lee?
It's very nice to meet you, Scotty. She is incredible. I can't wait to see what you guys have planned for us today.
Oh my gosh,
on
you're
this.
in for a treat today. You really are.
Speaking of a treat, this menu looks incredible. Do you guys offer these kind of meals on every cruise?
Yes, we have a team, a galley team downstairs, and we make all of our meals fresh. Here's a for instance, we make our own homemade sticky buns. They come in early in the galley. They raise the dough for those sticky buns. They're fabulous.
You could come for the food alone on this cruise.
You could, but there's so much more to see. I mean, we go across the lake, and once we get under those bridges, it becomes the river.
Okay.
Whole different change of scenery. We go 7 miles downriver, 7 miles back for a total trip of about 14 miles. And once you get back in there, it's like peaceful and serene, and that's where you're gonna see your wildlife. You're gonna see birds, turtles, of course, crowd favorite, alligators, manatees.
Manatees.
You know the manatees are the Florida State marine mammal.
I did know that. Yes, I love them too.
So you could come for the food. And just a lot of people do come just for the sticky buns.
Oh, nice.
Yeah, there's so much more to see.
As far as the history, I hear that there's some interesting facts about the Barbara Lee.
Well, yeah, she was built in 1986 for this purpose, to host lunch and dinner cruises. She's family owned. She took her inaugural cruise out of Lake Monroe in 2012. She's a true paddle wheeler. She has those hydraulic motors that drive our paddles. So unlike maybe other boats on other rivers where the paddles are just for show, ours are working paddles and they are actually propelling us down the river.
I got one question for you. Is it also wheelchair accessible?
Oh yes, of course. Yeah, we don't leave anybody behind.
Oh,
you want to
nice.
go with us, we're going to find a way to get you back. Yeah, wheelchairs aren't a problem. Walkers are not a problem. And we assist everyone, especially with the walker. Everyone gets assisted onto the boat and off of the boat. So yes, everybody's welcome.
Wow, that's so cool. I can't wait to see what you guys have in store for us today.
We have so much. You know, we also have entertainment on all of our cruises. Usually during lunch, we have a single entertainer. Saturday nights for our dance dinner, we have a duo. We have themed cruises. We have karaoke, musical bingo, wine Wednesday, whiskey and wisdom. We have a Latin night. Of course, every Friday night we have our Rockin' on the River. Like I said, food, scenery, entertainment.
Gosh, it really sounds like there's something for everybody.
There really is. And you know, Captain Austin, our captain, he's a 3rd-generation captain.
Oh, interesting.
I think he's up in the wheelhouse. You want to go say hi to him?
I would love to meet him.
Yeah, sure, absolutely. You need to go meet him because he's 3rd generation. Are you kidding?
Right after lunch, I think I'll take a visit up there.
That sounds great. It was so nice.
Nice to meet you, Scotty. Thank you.
As soon as you get settled in, the wonderful crew gets to work, taking your orders and serving up some of their famous sticky buns. Trust me, they're legendary. Once on board, you've got plenty of time to explore the ship, and if you're feeling like busting a move, there's live music and a dance floor waiting for you. On my trip, I met some amazing people, including veterans enjoying the ride, thanks to seats donated by the cruise line. It's heartwarming to see all ages come together for this experience. Now it's time to visit Captain Austin and check out what's happening up in the wheelhouse.
Hey, hey, what's going on?
Hey, how's it going?
Good, good. I'm Ned.
Austin, nice to meet you.
Nice to meet
So
you,
what
Austin.
brings you on board today?
Well, my job is to cruise around Seminole County and find all the great things there are to do on the water. And I heard so many wonderful things about your ship that I had to come out and experience it for myself.
Well, I'm glad to bring you on today. Today's a pretty nice day out here.
So Scotty tells me that your family has been captaining this ship for a long time.
Yeah, so my grandfather, and my grandparents and my father owned the boat previous before this one. So I grew up around here on the boat a lot. Grew up on the river here. It's been awesome. I learned how to swim, hunt, fish on this river.
Oh, neat.
So it's just something, been here my whole life.
Wow, you are Florida man.
Oh yeah.
Now that you've taken over, what's been your favorite part of captaining the ship?
Honestly, just kind of being comfortable, and it just feels like I'm at home here, like never left.
You look very comfortable
Oh, yeah.
behind the wheel. Since you grew up here, what do you think is the thing that people should be looking for out here on the water?
Definitely the wildlife. There's usually tons of wildlife out here, anywhere from gators, manatees, lots of different types of birds as well.
What's the best way to view those?
On our outer decks here, we have 3 separate outside decks that you're more than welcome to go walk around and view from. As a matter of fact, there's some binoculars right there if you want to go take a look.
Oh, thank you. I appreciate that. I'll definitely take you up on that.
Of course. All right, man. Well, hey, before you go check out those binoculars out there, if you don't mind, I'm going to go grab some lunch if you could take the wheel for me.
Well, sure. Let me
All
set
right.
these down and I'll be the captain then.
All right. Good luck, Ned.
Thanks. I appreciate it. Ho, ho, ho. Here we go.
After Captain Austin relieved me of my captain duties, I took to the deck to do a little bird watching. He wasn't kidding. This top deck is the best spot to soak in all the wildlife. By the time I had my fill of nature, we were already pulling back into the marina. Our 2 hours flew by, and I'm already thinking about my next trip on the Barbara Lee.
Ned.
Hey, Scotty.
I'm so interested to hear how your day was. How was your trip?
It was the best day ever.
Yeah.
Your people are amazing. The ship is beautiful.
How was lunch? How was lunch?
The lunch was phenomenal.
The sticky buns?
The sticky buns were more than I could have imagined.
Perfect.
Thank
We're
you so much.
happy to have you here today.
Yeah, I really appreciate it. I can't wait to come back.
Yeah.
If I want to share, what's the best way for people to book this tour?
Go on our website, stjohnsrivershipcompany.com. You know, it has everything listed. It has all our different events, the times, and you know, they can even book online now. They can
Awesome,
book online,
awesome.
yes.
Thank you so much, Scotty. That was phenomenal.
Well, we're so glad you were here, and we enjoyed having you, and we hope you'll come back soon with your family and friends.
I'll definitely be back.
I sure hope so. Ned, it was so nice meeting you.
Nice to meet you, Scotty. Thanks for tagging along on this amazing experience up the St. Johns River on the Barbara Lee. I can't wait to have you guys on board for our next adventure. See you then.